Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to detect if JavaScript code is running inside a browser. This is important for front-end modules that may also run on a server, Node.js, to prevent errors when browser-specific objects like window and document are missing. Let's explore how we can reliably check the runtime environment. Browser environments have global objects like window and document, but these are not available in Node.js. By checking whether these objects exist, we can determine where the script.js is being executed. This function works by checking if window and document are defined. If either of them is undefined, it means the script is not running inside a browser. The type of operator prevents reference errors, making the check reliable. This method ensures a safe and reliable way to check the runtime environment. Since the type of document does not throw an error, we can safely check for the existence of window and document. This function correctly identifies whether the code is running inside a browser or in a server environment like Node.js. By using typeof, we avoid errors while ensuring accurate results. This function is widely used in server-side rendering, isomorphic apps, and JavaScript libraries. It ensures that browser-only code does not run in non-browser environments, preventing unexpected crashes. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to detect if JavaScript is running inside a browser to prevent errors in server environments. This method is essential for developing universal JavaScript applications and libraries. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.